Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover your GitHub account password. If you've been locked out of your account or simply can't remember your password, this straightforward process will get you back in quickly and securely. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where GitHub prompts you to enter your credentials. Now, in the username or email field, type in either your GitHub username or the email address associated with your account. You don't need to worry about entering your password just yet. Instead, look for the link that says Forgot Password and click on it. This is your gateway to resetting your credentials. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address once more to confirm your identity. Type it in carefully and then click Verify. This step ensures that GitHub is sending the reset instructions to the right person. Here's where things get a bit more interesting. GitHub will present you with a security challenge to verify you're not a bot. You'll see two images, and your task is to use the arrows provided to rotate the asset in each image so they face the same direction. Take your time with this, rotate them carefully until they match, and then click Submit. This is an important security measure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've passed the verification, click on Send Password Reset Email. GitHub will now send a message to your inbox containing the instructions you need to create a new password. Depending on your email provider, this might take a moment to arrive, so be patient. While you wait, open a new tab in your browser and head over to your email account. Check your inbox and look for an email from GitHub. It should arrive within a few minutes. Once you locate it, open the email and find the button or link that says Set Your Password. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a new page on GitHub. On this page, you'll see a field where you can type your new password. Choose something strong and secure, ideally a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your new password, click Set Password to confirm the change. GitHub will process this immediately, and your account will now be accessible with your new credentials. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your GitHub account password and regained access to all your repositories and projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.